Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox this sponsor product from AIPER. This is AIPER Scuba SE model. So let's open and see what we got here. So we will open and see what is the package content and what's inside. So let's check it out. So once you open the package, you have this card. It tells you some tips for using the AIPER Scuba, and you have some other user manuals. And over here you have the hook and the charger, I guess. So let's check that out. So over here you have a small brush and a charging cable, charging adapter, and universal retrieving hook. Actually you have two sets of brush. So let's see what else. Nothing else in the box. And this is the main unit. It has, so it is compact unit, not too large, not too small. It is ideal for like mid-size, small to mid-size pools. So this you can see it just glides really nicely on the surface. So on the bottom we have some wheels here and a power on button and off. So here you have the door. This will just push the water out, and on the back we have another compartment for the water to come out in and out. So in order to open the filter, you would just open the levers there, and here you are exposing the filter. It seems for the size it is kind of large, so you can just, this is the filter, you can easily remove it, and once you remove, you will see the debris get stuck inside here. This is the collecting unit, so you can just dump it and wash it. So it has nice feature. You can see it has some sort of lever doors, so it will keep the debris inside, which is cool. So overall it looks cool. So we will just test it out, run in the pool and see how it performs. And over here you can see you have the main engine here, like it, which powers the unit, takes the water inside and filter it out. So it has nice large handle here. You would be able to retrieve your robot. So overall, that's all I can talk about it. Thank you for watching.